Dr.Ashwin Dobariya welcomes you to Programming in C video series. In this video we will discuss the another important program, that is various distance unit conversion. In this video the definition is like that: C program which converts input kilometers value into various distance units like meter, feet, inch, centimeters and millimeters. So if we analyze this definition of the C program, so first we have to identify how many value we have to input in these programs. So here friends, we have to input one value, that is kilometers, and once we input a kilometer value, based on that kilometers we have to convert the distance in a meter, then feet, inch, centimeters and millimeters. So here based the analysis of the definitions, we have identified that one input is required in this program. Then how many outputs will be display of this program? So right now, suppose if we input a kilometers, then you should aware about the formula how we can convert the kilometer into meter. So as you know that as per the mathematics norms, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So if we input a 5 kilometers, then 5 kilometers is equivalent to 5000 meters. So it should be display 5000. So we have to develop and design the program like that. Then how we can convert the meter into the feet? So 1 meter is equal to 3.28084 feet, and similarly 1 feet is equal to 12 inch and 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So first at least you should aware about this formula of the distance conversion. Now let me think about the logic of this program. So first let me take one demo value. Suppose if I input a 5 value as a kilometer, this is our first steps. When we input, then we have to use the various formula that we discussed in the previous slides, and whatever result will be generated, that finally we have to display on screen. So this is the first steps, how many value we have to input and how many output we have to display, and based on that now we have to think about the various variables. So here first variable we require for the input value, that is kilometer. So kilometer is one variable we will declare over here. Then which are the different distance format we want to convert? So meter, feet, inch and centimeter. So for that we have declared individual variables. So total to write this program we require these 5 variables, and here we know that these variables are having, or it will manage the floating kind of values, and to make a very accuracy in the calculations, here we have declared all these variable as a double instead of float, because float is having again certain limitation of that data type, and as we know that the one float variable occupies 4 bytes of memory, whereas double occupies the double memory. It means one variable occupies the 8 bytes of memory, and the format specifier for the double you can write %lf or simple f. So this is the logic of these programs. Now let me discuss how we can write the program of this all conversion in Turbo C. So in Turbo C, first we have to include 2 header file, stdio.h, conio.h for printf, scanf and clear screen function. Then after inside the main function, first we will declare the required variable, and all variable we have declared as a double. After that clear screen, which clear the old output of our programs, and here we want to input only single value as a kilometer. So enter value of distance in kilometers, and that value will be stored in the km variables, and the format specifier is %lf. So first things here we have to clear that only one value we have to input, and that is in a kilometers. Now we know that suppose for understanding, if I input the 5 value, it means 5 will be stored into the kilometer variables, and how we can convert into meter? then we know the formula of the kilometer to meter conversion is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So it means we have to multiply this km value. So km multiply 1000, which will give us a meter, and that meter value will be stored into m variable, that is declared as a double. Then after, we know that how we can convert the meter value into in the feet. Then 1 meter is equal to 3.28084 feet. So whatever meter value is there, again we will multiply with the 3.28084, and it will give us a feet value. After that, from the feet we will convert into inch, and then we know that 1 feet is equal to 12 inch. So whatever feet value is there, that we will multiply with the 12, so which will give a inch value, and each value will be stored into the I. After that, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So I multiply by 2.54, and it will give a centimeter. So in that way, our input value is single kilometers, and our output value are the total 4 variable. And after that, using a printf functions, here we will declare display the output, like first is kilometers and meter, second which converts the kilometer to feet, and third is convert the kilometer to inch, and final is the kilometer to centimeter. So let's we just execute this program and see what will be the output of this program. If I input 5 value as a kilometers, then see it gives 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter, 5 kilometer is equal to 16,404 feet, and 5 kilometers is equal to this. So in that way, friends, you can convert any unit of the distance with the help of the different formula. Friends, I have also given the link of this program in the description part of this video, so you can download this source code file, and you can practice in your laptop or a desktop. So I hope, friends, you understood the concept of how we can convert the various distance units, and I hope you can do these programs yourself. And in this video description, I have also given the other videos, theory and practical videos links for your reference. So please like and share this video with your friends, so they can also get the benefits. And in upcoming video, we'll discuss another program, that is C program of temperature value conversion. So if you give a Fahrenheit value, then it will display the Celsius, and if you input a Celsius value, then it will convert into Fahrenheit. So this temperature value conversion program we'll discuss in upcoming video. And to get this upcoming video, please subscribe this video channel. So once again, thank you very much.